Hello, this is Reverend Rutaisiro who is back. I'm going to show you how we can use the ELOS video conferencing tool. And once you, for example, you know the link, the web link of ELOS, you paste it here or you will write in the bar here, and you will be directed to this page. So you will click on here on this button to start the video conferencing. And for me, for example, I have, for example, you click here and you will have a page like this telling you that the session is being uploaded. And here, for example, you have a page like this. And here we have some features of ELOS. We have the public, under the message rubric, you have the public chat, you have the notes, those are shared notes, and we have the user, a list of users here, and you can hide this. So now, if you can see this one, this is the icon for participant. You can list the, you can see the list yes, of participant here, and here for this icon, for example, the left one at the bottom, you have a number of actions. You can start a poll, you can upload a presentation, you can open a private room, activate and so on a timer, share an external video, streaming session. There, as you see, we have a number of features here. If you go to your right, at the center we have the audio settings. Here you can join the audio via the microphone, for example. Here you can test also, you can test also, this is nice. You can test also the video, no, on the camera, sorry. And here we have to see that, yes, my camera is working. You can start sharing your camera like this. So now at your right, you can share your screen. You can share your screen. You click here and you share your screen here. So suppose that you want to present your audience a number of PowerPoint, you have to click here in actions. You have to upload a presentation. You will be directed to this page where you have to drag your file and drop here, or you have to choose. You go to choose the file you have to present. For example, let me take for example, this is a presentation. Yes, I choose this one, and I upload this chosen presentation like this. You upload this. Okay, it is there. Now, once you have it, and you finish uploading this one, you can stop. You can stop also sharing. Here, you can make your screen large. Can make your screen large. You can make it narrow as you want. You can start recording, and so on and so on. So the presentation is this. The presentation is this. This is the slide 1. You can have a slide 2. You can have a slide 3 and so on and so on. You can write inside. Here we have some tools. Suppose I want to highlight, for example, this table. I can also choose the thickness of the highlighter like this one. And suppose, for example, I want to delete what I have written here. I have to use this icon and delete what I have this one. And I thank you very much. Sorry. We have also some features here about settings and the help here. We have also the keyboard shortcut, and it can end the meeting and log out, because at the beginning we have to log in. I thank you very much again. If you want to explore more, please visit this website so that you can know much than me. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.